Content marketing management, a complete guide for agencies. Content marketing is a powerful force for generating leads and growing revenue. So it's no wonder that 97% of businesses with established marketing efforts are also engaged in content marketing. Still, it's one thing to do content marketing, it's another thing to truly succeed with it. Many creative agencies are already engaged in content marketing, but their efforts aren't as organized as they might like. The missing piece might just be an overarching strategy and a system for organizing and planning assets. In other words, content marketing management. What is content marketing management? Content marketing management is the overseeing and organization of a variety of digital marketing efforts, including content creation, which is blogs, white papers, videos, and more. Content marketing, planning, email marketing, social media management, and any other digital content that supports an organization's inbound marketing strategy. Content marketing aims to create and distribute effective content that attracts potential customers by providing them with information or other contents they are interested in receiving. Organizing these various assets and ensuring timely content production requires a combination of management prowess and appropriate marketing tools. What's the difference between content marketing and traditional marketing? The primary difference is the audience approach. Content marketing is often called inbound marketing because you pull in warm leads who are already interested in what you are saying or offering. Your message reaches fewer people, but those people are primed to respond. Traditional marketing sends a message to a much larger audience that may or may not be interested, so it has to work harder to convince the audience to ultimately buy. Why good content marketing management is important? Good content marketing management matters because creating the best content requires more than just high quality staff and freelancers. It requires a carefully laid out strategy and leadership that can execute this strategy. Without good management, many organizations end up doing content marketing without any documented strategy or overarching goals, which invariably harm success. SEMrush State of Content Marketing report finds that while most businesses use content marketing, only 57% have documented their content marketing strategy. Yet, the vast majority, 78% of those who believe that their efforts are working well do have that documented strategy in place. How to establish a strong content marketing strategy for your clients? Use these tips to establish a content marketing strategy that drives results for your clients and consider their unique needs, whether you're a creative agency serving multiple endpoints or doing content marketing in-house. Identify your marketing goals. First, you need to identify the marketing goals your client wants to achieve. This, depending on your client size and maturity level, these goals may be highly detailed or extremely basic. It's not unheard of to have shepherd the client to a better goal when they work with you. There are various ways to determine these goals, but no matter which path you take, don't move any further until you've agreed with the client on a set of goals. Because it doesn't matter how many incredible wins you achieve, you miss your client's highest priority item. Research your target audience and ICP. Next is defining your target audience and searching that audience so you can create an ideal client persona ICP or perhaps several ICPs. This is vital, especially for agencies where claims can sometimes blend together and it can be challenging to switch your focus between the proper audiences. Defining your target audience includes demographics, industry, company size, shared pain points, and shared needs. Only by determining who your target audience is and what they are thinking, feeling, and needing can you reach them effectively through content marketing. The ability to connect deeply with an audience is a major driver of content marketing success, with 50% of organizations in one study citing it as their primary success factor. Doing this well starts with defining the right audience. Decide on content format and distribution channels. There are all sorts of places to publish content, and just as many formats it can take, great content marketing focuses on the formats and distribution channels that are right fit for the client and their target audience. For example, LinkedIn may not be the best place to sell handbags, and Pinterest may not be the top destination for people who need complex business software. Audit your existing content. Chances are you aren't starting from scratch. Your client has existing materials on their site and social media, and they may have run ad campaigns with a previous agency. Auditing existing content is vital because sometimes you can easily refresh or refocus that content for huge content marketing gains. Create a content calendar and distribution strategy. Scattershot approach to content marketing rarely brings desired results. Instead, organize your content effort to a content or editorial calendar. Ideally, you plan assets months in advance. You need to have all the materials completed out early, but you know exactly what you plan to publish and when and where. As you implement these strategies for successful content marketing, you will need the right mix of tools to do it right. The content 14 tools to consider if you are just getting started. Central to all those tools is the right project management platform. Teamwork was built for creative agencies like yours, and it has all the tools you need to succeed with marketing project management. Key types of content you should consider sharing. Wondering where to invest your content dollars? These types of content should be your top consideration. Blog, social media posts, podcasts. For blog and article are medium to long form written pieces like the one you are watching right now. Typically, they typically inform and provide information rather than aggressively sell products and services, and are a huge driver of search engine optimization and improve search engine ranking SERP when used well. Social media posts are a great way to keep your brand in front of your loyal fans, and sponsored posts can target highly specific audience containing people who match your ideal customer persona. Brands use social media to stay relevant and present and announce new products, sales, and discounts. Social posts can also drive traffic to other content marketing efforts like your blog posts and videos, pushing social viewers into your sales funnel. No wonder 95% of B2B marketers rely on social for part of their content marketing strategy. Podcasts are a great way to develop thought leadership. They may not reach as wide as an audience, but the focused podcast can have a really staying power with your target audience and establish you as an authority people can trust. Videos are extremely powerful content formats, but they come at a cost. Video creation is typically far more complex than any of the other content types we've discussed. Plus, every role for video has slightly different formatting requirements. For example, the video formatted for YouTube doesn't work well on Instagram, and LinkedIn are entirely different beasts. Distribution can also be tricky, depending on the brand, audience, and product or service being promoted. Still, if your brand can produce quality video content, that content can be a real differentiator. Case studies. Case studies tell a real growth story of how products or services meet customers' needs. They can be powerful sales tools as any reader experiencing a similar problem can immediately connect a brand with solving that problem. They function similarly to blogs, where they may be a value-added resource for a piece of funnel. Webinars. Webinars are live or recording of lives, educational seminar that audience sign up to attend virtually. Usually, guests on a webinar can ask the presenter question, providing direct access to a subject matter expert. These two are used in marketing funnels and as sales tools because inevitably the products or services of the business offering the webinar will solve whatever problem the webinar discusses. Roles involved in content marketing management. Content marketing is a broad discipline requiring numerous skills. It typically involves at least these roles. Content marketing manager will help coordinate all parts and pieces and is typically the senior member of the content marketing team. So content marketing manager handles the content strategy, who creates what, when, and where it gets published. Content writer provides written content for blog, case studies, social posts, and more. This role is responsible for executing the SEO and content requirements as listed in the project brief. The editor ensures content is up to brand standard. The editor may also have some content strategy responsibility. SEO specialist builds content strategy, contributes SEO direction to project page, and verifies whether SEO strategy is sustainable. Graphic designer creates visual elements to support any content marketing collateral, graphic landing page header, images for any marketing initiatives. Paid advertising specialist plans, researches, and executes paid advertising campaign using content marketing collateral as well as content design specifically for art. Demand generation manager fine-tunes content to meet the needs of specific pipeline and channels, optimizing content for maximum conversion. This should also include business development function like identifying new markets and strategizing how to reach them. Best practice for executing a successful content marketing campaign. As we've seen so far, content marketing includes quite a wide range of responsibilities, deliverable, and tactics. Most of the time, all these elements are combined into a specific content marketing campaign. It could be a brand refresh, a product launch, or even a brand wide pushing targeting sales, conversion, lead gen, or SEP. The specific of each content marketing will differ, sometimes significantly, but these 6 elements are key to success no matter the client or the nature of the campaign. You will even find more information as I listed below. The step number 1 is brainstorm content ideas. Content is king, as we all know. It's only true when the content is well made, on topic, and relevant. So any successful content marketing campaign starts with a solid brainstorming session, creating a bank of useful ideas which you later refine into specific deliverables and infuse with SEO magic. Create a content style guide for each client. Content style guide defines what the brand does and doesn't do in its content. They help define a brand's look and feel, and they keep clients and your team on track. Keeping them content of brand, communicate with the clients on to determine their brand voice and content preference, document them in a place accessible by the entire content. Build content workflows in a project management software. Each piece of content should follow a predictable schedulable series of steps. Each step will look quite different from a video down from a blog post, of course. What you mean is that every blog post should follow the same blog post workflow and so on. Any content marketing projects work well in Kanban style board. Connect with client subject matter experts to enhance content. Your team comprises expert matter with high basic skills. Your clients know more about their business and industry than you do, so take advantage of that. Writing blog posts for your most complex clients might seem impossible, but the 20-minute interview with an expert on the topic will be all your writer needs to produce a polished, powerful post. Distribute, and make sure you always distribute. It's tempting to take, and if you build this, they will come approach content marketing. If you do SEO and content strategy right, they will, but you attract more people more quickly if you actively distribute your content. You can distribute it through email newsletter, social posts, guest posts, contributor posts, industry publication, distribution channels for your clients. Content are diverse. Find the right channel of your target ICP and then distribute like crazy. Collect and analyze data to see content performance and ROI. One of the greatest strengths of content marketing is the ability to analyze what digital efforts are working well down to an extremely granular level. When you leverage that data into actionable insights, you can take your clients from simply throwing content out in the world to doing so with discipline, intention, and focus. Using tools and software to keep tabs on marketing performance, you can opt for tools like Google Analytics that track your metrics and provide actionable real-time insights based on your business goals, or you can take advantage of your existing marketing software analytics and reporting features. Manage your agency content marketing workflow with Teamwork. Teamwork is a great software for managing agency content marketing workflow. Building reliable, repeatable content workflow is a significant step toward efficient content marketing management. As your agency grows in its content marketing maturity, creating and tracking those workflows is a must. It's most successful when you have the right tools in place, including a powerful project management platform fit for today's creative and agencies. Teamwork understands the challenge of running a creative agency. In fact, it was for teams like yours first. It's a wide range of creative templates and powerful tools for customizing workflows and tracking tasks. Teamwork delivers an elevated experience for managing your content marketing. Thank you for watching this video and expect more.